Hi friends, if you are looking to learn advanced Excel, then see this video till the end.
Hi friends, welcome to Calix Learning. My name is Rahul. In this video, you are going to learn how to create sparklines. Sparklines are the tiny charts which you can just create near your data. So we have this data here which is the sales revenue performance quarter wise for different regions. So in this column, YTD performance will create these sparklines. Click on one cell here, go to insert, select the sparkline. In data range, we'll select the cells from Q1 to Q4 and click OK. And the sparkline is created. Now we copy the same for the other regions as well. Now in this sparkline, I would also like to see the data points. So click on Sparkline tab and click on Markers, which will show you these data points at different levels. I would also like to see a small column chart in this cell. So in this same table which I have copied down here, we'll create the small sparkline column chart. Same options, go to Insert, go to Sparklines, click on Column and select the range, click OK, and you see the small column chart is created, and we copy it till for the other regions. Here we can also look at which are the high points. So click on High Points here in the Sparkline tab, and you will see that it has highlighted the high points in red. Thanks for watching this video.